Hi, this video is going to cover purchase orders. From the menu, click on Purchase Orders. This will take you to any of your created purchase orders. Several ways in our system to be able to add and create your POs. From this section, if you're in the menu, you have an option to be able to add to a purchase order. So when you're adding to a purchase order, you can go ahead and select the products that are needed for that PO, going over into the menu. You have the ability here to add to a purchase order. If you choose that option, you can pick from an existing PO that was already set up, or you can go ahead and create a brand new purchase order. Fill out the purchase order name by typing it manually, or use the system to generate a title with an automated number. Go ahead and choose your client, project if you want to relate that purchase order to the project page. Choose your supplier. And if you're utilizing inventory and have inventory enabled, you can choose the receiving warehouse where that PO will be received into. Once a PO is created, you can see here we generated a number with that PO. We'll go ahead and adjust all of our quantities. You can do so by clicking on the quantity and making that adjustment. You'll do so for all of your items. If anything needs to be deleted, use the trash can icon to remove that product line. On this page, if you go over to the menu, several different options. You can go ahead and print this PO. The destination can be your printer, or you can choose to save as a PDF if you rather attach to an email and type a message out to your supplier. You can edit the purchase order. You can add additional products to this PO. You can add a new project expense. You can see the shipping history. You can delete this purchase order if it's no longer needed. If you have a default mail client that's set up, you can send the purchase order with the link, or you can choose to download the purchase order. Another way you can make a PO is if you're in our products page. At any point, you can highlight any items that you need, go over to the menu, and you can create a brand new PO, or if you choose, add to an existing purchase order. You just have to select products from the table, and if you chose to add to an existing PO, there'll be a drop-down for you to be able to select that PO to add those products. And finally, the last way to add to a purchase order, you can do so from inventory, going over to the product request page, and searching your project. If you don't have a filter on, you'll see all of your projects. You can highlight any of that product, go over to the menu, and again, from here, you're able to create a purchase order or add to an existing PO. So keep in mind these last options. This is for inventory if you do have that module enabled. If you're not utilizing inventory, the other option is from your proposals to be able to create a purchase order. So you can go into your proposal page. We'll go ahead and just open up any proposal, go over to the menu, and from here, you can see here you're able to add a purchase order and see your associated purchase orders. If you do choose to add, this will make you fill out your purchase order information and click Save. And then from there, you're able to pull in any of that proposal product to be able to create your purchase order. Thank you for watching Purchase Orders.